Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create this stunning animation where you can change a color of one item in a picture. But before diving into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I can close this video, go into the new Canva. Actually, this is just an empty blank video Canva. I'm just adding the picture what I want to use. Set background. Changing the time to 10 seconds just to extend the slide, extend the page, and allows me to use a longer transition period. So I just have to click on a page, right click, duplicate page, selecting the second page, selecting the picture, going to the edit, adjust, and scrolling down until I find this color edit, and we can choose which color would like to change. And now this light blue, but now creating this yellowish from the light blue. Go into the add transition, match and more, and due to this I had selected 10 seconds instead of the 5. The Canva allows me to use this 5 seconds of duration, and just closing it, and you can see what's happening. Now the Canva is transforming slowly the blue color to yellow. If you would like to make it this faster, you don't have to do anything else, just going back to the transitions and just shortening the duration of the transition. In this case, of course, the pages are longer, but the transition will be much faster. As you can see, it's very almost immediate. But I would like to use the longer transition. In this case, you can see the pages are shortened due to the transition is here, this 5 seconds. Before that was only just 1 second, so the original page was cropped less time than keep the page as longer. And here I just use the 5 seconds. So as you can see, one page is now 7.5 seconds. That means the 5 second transition, 2.5 came here, other 2.5 came here. So that's the two pages are overlapping. So this both pages was reduced with 2.5 seconds. And how I did this, actually, as you can see, that's only 8.6. So, and this is 15 seconds. So I just downloaded this video, and I just cut. I just came to here. So cut somewhere here and cut somewhere here, and just keep the more or less the transition period. There is one backside of this color manipulation. I will show you. I already inserted one picture to here with a woman in a red dress. Go into the edit, adjust. I just selecting the red color, and if I'm just changing the color to blue, well, actually it was green, as you can see, or Also the skin color was also changed. As you can see, when it's a purple, it's a bit purplish, not that bad, but when I move to this left side to the blue or the right side to the green, the skin is really changed. And just moving back to the original one, as you can see, when just a slightly changed, the skin tone is not changed that badly, but when I changing a bit more, the skin will be also change due to the AI changing the portion of this of the colors, and if it's other colors on the picture is similar with a color what we would like to change, that could be happen due to the skin also has some kind of red tones, and in this case this red tone is also changed to blue or green. As you can see in my original picture, I just made a duplication. I just moved to here. I just moved to here. If I would like to change here the pink background, that will be actually the same thing. As you can see, the background color has some similarities with the skin color. In this case, when I'm changing the background, the skin will be also changed. And as you can see, this blue is not changing at all, but the pink and the colors which is close to the pink are also changing. So if you would like to change a red dress to any other color, that will be not possible with this method. In this case, you have to use a bit slight different one, but I will show you this option or feature in one of my next videos. But this video now is going to the end. Thanks for watching and see you on my next tutorial. Ciao.